Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm coming to you with something different today. I have had this package since December, and it's my mailer package. So I wanted to unbox it on camera for you because the company is particularly brand new. It came out last year, and I joined last year when they were doing their grand opening for their mailer. It's a 3-month subscription service, and it's for women of color. So let's jump right into it and see what I got in my December package. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Let's do it this way. Okay. First thing I take out is a Christmas stocking. I'm gonna push it back some so you can see. Let me move this out. So we have a Christmas stocking. And it has a zipper. That's the first item we have. See if I can get it to looks like everything else is wrapped up here. This out. Put my stocking over here. And it comes in a bubble bag, as you can see. Just take this. It is much easier. I'm trying to get so y'all can see. So the card says, "This the season to sparkle." I hope y'all can see that. And it says on the back of the card, "Wishing you and your family a merry, blessed, and safe holiday season. Love, Ashley Gomez, creator of the mailer." Then it gives you the information what's in the packaging. Then put that aside and pull out this. Oh, kind of like this color. Let me show you. I'm going to put that right there and read what this is. This is the Lip Bar Liquid Matte Lipstick. Vegan and cruelty-free lip stain that goes perfect with your complexion. The liquid matte lipstick goes on like gloss, dries matte, and lasts all day without drying your lips out. Sheer shade Crown Me. I love these packaging. Sometimes it's just hard to get stuff out. I guess. Oh, that's pretty. Can y'all see it? That is the packaging. And let's check out the color. I think I had it upside down. That's the packaging. Okay. Okay, now, how do we get into it? There we go, twist off. And it's like a purplish color. I'm going to try to swatch it for y'all. Oh, that's pretty. It's not a deep, deep purple, but it's on the darker side purple. So we got that. See how it dries. And I have something in this. And this is, let's see what this is. Can y'all see that? And just put it up there. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is True Moringa Simplicity Oil Roller. The Simplicity Oil Roller is a perfect for under eye treatment to minimize the appearance of lines and wrinkles, or as a daily facial moisturizer to even and nourish skin. So this is an under eye treatment. And what do we have here? African Sheen Slick Back Cream Butter. Let's see what this says. I hope y'all can see this. Get that out of the way. That's my little skirt. Now the African Sheen Slick Back Cream. Sorry. Not only is this cream great for holding down flyaways, but it's also perfect for slicking back your hair into buns, ponytails, top knots, afro puffs, and more. Then it says how to use. Apply as needed to dry or damp hair. Brush smooth and style as desired. Okay, I'm gonna open this and see what the consistency. Ooh, it looks okay. It looks thick, but it's not. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh. Well, I definitely would be using this. I have to let you know how it does. Our next product is the African Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream. The African Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream. Nourish and hydrate your hair with the Crown Defining Curl Cream infused with shea butter, coconut oil, and flaxseed oil. This non-greasy formula defines and hydrates natural styles. How to use: section hair, apply a small amount to hands and rub together. Work product into dry or damp hair. Do not rinse. Style as desired. Let's see what the consistency of this one is. Oh, this one's much lighter. Much lighter. Ooh, and this smells good too. I don't have natural hair, but I'll give this one to my granddaughter for her hair. And I have one more product. Make sure y'all can see. And I have some, a girl should have two things, classy and fabulous. And these are hair clips. These are hair clips. Hopefully y'all can see that without the glare. And it says Femela Pearl Hair Clips. 'Tis the season for pearls. These classy, beautiful, and fun hair clips add the perfect touch to finish off any style. How to use. Clip into your hair to add an extra ounce of glam to your look. And that completed my Femora unboxing. And this was, like I said, this was a December box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in the box. And like I said, this is about my third because it comes out every quarter. So if you're interested in getting this, the next box slash bag comes out in March. I'll put the information down below where you can sign up and how much it costs. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, ladies, thank you. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.